this video is to help you with Unit 11, Lesson 6. This lesson is on Compare, Takeaway, and Combine. You will need your lesson guide. You will also need 5 household objects. You can use stuffed animals, clothing, whatever you have. I chose a pencil sharpener, a pencil, a stamp pad, a sticky note pad, and a pen. Those are my 5 household objects. You will also need snap cubes. You will need 20. And you will need to log on to the OLS Unit 11 Lesson 6. Please pause this video while you do that and gather your supplies. Okay, now that you're ready, we will get started. The first page gives you an overview of the lesson. If you go to the bottom and click the next arrow, it will take you to the next page. Before we start, you will need to review the assessment and get at least 80% for mastery on this assessment. The first part, when you combine 2 amounts, you add to get a total. Go to the next screen to watch Rosa solve a combine problem. So when we combine, we are adding. That is an important word. Jenny has 8 bears. Maggie has 2. How many do they have all together? So you can use your snap cubes. You can use bears if you have them, or even if you just have paper clips. You want to start out with 8 bears and then add 2 more and let us know how many you have all together. You hit the next arrow to complete all 3 problems, and then we will go on to the next screen. On the next part, we are watching Rosa and Serena act out story problems. Tell if they are addition or subtraction story problems. So we're going to decide if they are addition or subtraction. You will need your 5 household objects. So you will play this and go through all 5 pages and see if they are working on addition or subtraction problems. Make sure that your child can explain to you which problem they are doing, addition or subtraction, and how they know that. Make sure they explain their thinking and let you know how they know which problem they are doing. The next part, you will use cubes to show addition story problems. So I have my cubes. They look like this. That is what you need as well. You will play this and go through the problems. You will show the first part of problems with cubes. So you're going to show 8 parrots with your cubes, and then you're going to get a different color cube. It doesn't matter if you have red, yellow, or green. And you will use a different color cube to show the other part. So I would show 8 parrots in red and 4 in blue. I'm going to do that for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 8 red parrots. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 8 and 4. Put the 2 groups together to find your answer. So I put my 2 groups together, and now I want to count them up to see how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One strategy that I used was to count all of them one at a time. I used my finger and I counted each one. Another strategy that your child can use is, since we know that this was 8 because we've already counted and added that together, we can count on. Counting on is a great strategy when your child is ready, and that will help them save a lot of time and make sure that they know how to count on from a given number. That is a math standard that we grade on. So I know this is 8, so I'm going to count on 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that 8 and 4 more is 12. So you will click the arrow to continue to go through and do the next problem. Next, you are going to use the assessment sheet, and you can review the assessment first. Remember, 80% or higher is mastery of the lesson. Once you have completed that, you may mark this lesson complete. I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.